Aqara Motion Sensor. Aqara Motion Sensor detects human movement with passive infrared. It works with other smart accessories to set various scenes, such as turning on or off lights automatically when it detects activity or inactivity. It consumes low energy. No tools are required to install it, and you can simply place or stick it almost anywhere. Remove the installation tab.
Please open the Mi Home app. Press the plus to enter Add Device page and press the Sensor. Select the Aqara Motion Sensor.
If the hub makes voice prompts,
Ready to connect to child devices.
Long press the reset button for 5 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release.
when hearing the hub voice prompts,
Child device connected.
then the accessory is successfully added to the network.
After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Mi Home app or in the Apple Home app.
Single press the reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed.
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Option 1. Place the motion sensor where you need it. Option 2. Remove the protective film and stick it to the desired location. Option 3. Stick the motion sensor to the stand and stick the stand to where you need it. Prepare a new CR2450 battery. Hold the upper cover of the sensor and the battery cover with both hands and turn the battery cover counterclockwise to open. Remove the existing battery by hand, place the new button cell battery in the battery slot, and pay attention that the positive side of the battery should face upwards. Align the markers of the battery cover with the markers on the motion sensor. Close up. Turn the battery cover clockwise to tighten it. The battery cover is successfully attached.
Hey Siri, check out the baby's room humidity.
Humidity in the baby room is dry at 24%.
Turn on the humidifier in the baby's room.
Okay, the humidifier is on.